Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install TailsOS 6.17 on VMware Workstation. First go to TailsOS official website and download. It is tails.net. Hit enter, then click on install Tails. See, the latest version of the Tails is 6.17. Go down, then click on burning a Tails DVD. See here we have the option to direct Tails download ISO image or by using BitTorrent. Either is fine, I am going to download by using direct. So click on download Tails 6.17 ISO image. See, download started, go to download. See here its size is 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download complete. See here I have already downloaded. Once download is completed, now open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse. Then go to downloads directly. See here we have the Tails 6.17 ISO image. Click on open. Click on next. Then select Linux. Then select Debian latest version from this list. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the TailsOS. Tails 6.1 VM. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then click on next. Then provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See here memory selected as 2 gigabytes. I am going to increase it to 4 gigabytes. So click on customize hardware. Use this pointer up, or you can provide the memory in megabytes here. Okay. So click on close. Click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on it. Right click and select settings. Select it and go to VM and select settings, or just click on edit virtual machine settings. All three options are same. And if you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you have to provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then just click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 6.17, and hit enter. See here now we have to configure language and formats, persistent storage and additional settings. Okay, if you want to change the language, click on this language button and select the language. I am okay with the defaults. So if you want to create persistent storage, click on this one, that is turning on. Then additional settings, click on this plus button. See here we have these options like administration password, MAC address anonymization, offline mode, unsafe browser and network connection. Okay, if you want to turn on administration, click on it, then provide the password for the administration. Confirm the same, then click on add. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. See, it automatically opened the window, that is tar connection. If you want to connect to tar automatically, select this radio button, then click on connect to tar. Also open terminal. See here, these are the default applications that comes with TailsOS. Open terminal, then increase the font size, preferences, unnamed, custom font, increase the font, select it, click on close it. See, font has been increased. Now verify the version of the TailsOS that we have installed. See, we have installed TailsOS 6.17, and also see here its ID is like Debian. That's why we have selected version Debian at the time of virtual machine creation. Control L. The first step after connecting to TailsOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Here we have to give the password of the administration that we have set. Then hit enter. See, successfully connected to tar browser. Then click on this start tar browser. See, updation taking time. Okay, also see here we got the tar browser. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install TailsOS 6.17 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.